Hello, just some quick guidance on how to proceed with the principal debriefing report, since we had to make a couple small modifications. Since the student growth summary report will not be available until the winter and spring, because we don't have that data to compare to from last year since we didn't use the MAP test. So instead, we will be using the grade level reports for fall 2021. Because those reports look slightly different, we had to make a couple small modifications to this table here at the top of the principal debriefing report. So first thing is indicating the number of students tested. I'm going to walk through exactly where to find this stuff on the grade level reports. Right, so why don't I just go ahead and grab one of those reports first. They're in the same place if you go to your growth reports. So MAP growth reports. Instead of scrolling all the way down to your student growth summaries, now it's a little bit above that, right? Grade report. And then just select your school. So deselect them all. I'm going to select Bryant as an example. Next. And then I'm just going to leave all the grade levels applicable and create PDF report. Okay, I've already got a copy of this report, so I'll open up first grade. Okay, so first thing, make sure, right, we've got the first grade report there. We're looking at math here first. That's the one that's going to be on top. And then the first thing that the principal debriefing report asks for, aside from this information up there, but the first change here is indicate the number of students tested, right? And you'll do that for each grade level, and that's what these parentheses are for. So in the report itself, that's right here. Total number of students tested with valid growth scores. So for first grade Bryant, we would put 41. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then you would do the same for all the remaining grade levels. And then the next bit of information, since we don't have the percent meeting growth targets, I have that part grayed out, so we won't use that column here for test 1, but we will use it for the winter and spring test 2 and 3, right? So instead, we are going to select the number of students at or above grade level mean writ, and you can get that information right here at the bottom. Students at or above grade level mean writ, right? And so you'd grab that 12, and you'd put that right here for test 1, and you'd follow that same process for grades 2 through 5 here, right? And then for this other information down here, you'll have to use information a little bit further down in the report, and this is again just grade level 1, right? But you can see the other domains that were assessed, right? And you can get a little drill down a little bit into student performance on those specific domains. So it can give you a bit of a snapshot into how they did, at least by grade level, on the various domains. So you're able to glean some data from that as well, and you can use that to inform some of the questions that you see down here below. All right, so that's pretty much it in terms of the changes. And again, this will just be for fall 2021, and then we should be able to proceed with the student growth summary report in the future for the winter and spring, since we'll have that data to compare to. If you have any questions, just let me know.